One key to becoming a safer, more confident driver is embracing the concept of proactive driving. Instead of merely reacting to situations as they arise, anticipate potential hazards by keeping a vigilant eye on your surroundings. Look ahead for changes in traffic patterns, be aware of pedestrians and cyclists, and maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles. This heightened state of alertness doesn't just protect you. It underscores that driving is an active skill requiring continuous engagement. Another often overlooked factor is the mental and emotional state you bring into the car. Stress or fatigue can severely impair driving abilities, so ensure you're both well-rested and emotionally calm before hitting the road. Mindfulness techniques like deep breathing exercises can help keep nerves at bay during challenging driving conditions. Developing an inner sense of composure not only improves decision-making, but also fosters a greater sense of control behind the wheel, turning every drive into an opportunity for mastery rather than a mundane necessity.